How to use Notion tutorial for beginners. Hi everyone, good day. So for today's video, I will show you another tutorial on how to use Notion project management tool for beginners. I will show you the easy step-by-step process on how you can create amazing workspace here on Notion for beginners. So before we begin, just a brief background about Notion. Notion is a project management and note-taking software, and Notion is a software designed to help members of a company or organization coordinate with deadlines, objectives, and assignments for the sake of efficiency and productivity. Notion helps users schedule tasks, manage files, save documents, set reminders, keep agendas, and organize their work. So now let's begin. First thing first, visit Notion.com, and here you can just create an account by clicking Notion for free and just provide your email, or you can just connect your Google account or Apple account directly. Then just follow their guide. I already created my account here, so I will just log in. And once you're done creating an account and log in, then this will be your dashboard. And here we can start creating our workspace to organize our work or project. So here there's a plenty of workspace. As you can see, I created this before, but I am using some templates to all of this, and I just customize it, just have an idea how things work here. But today I will show you how you can create your own workspace from scratch. So just a quick tip, guys, you can also visit Pinterest to look for inspiration if what will your workspace look like if you want. Pinterest is really good to find some inspiration. So here, let's just hit this add icon to add new workspace. So this is an empty workspace, and here you can start using templates. Just click templates, and here you have different templates to choose from, depends on your project you like. For example, for design, students, engineering, human resources, marketing, and more. Here you can see the preview of the templates that you just selected, just like this. But for today's video, let's start from scratch. So I will just hit enter from my keyboard. Now we have the empty workspace. Here, the first thing you can do is add an icon. So this will stand like your profile for this workspace. So you can select an icon here or emoji, or you can also upload an image here. And also you can just copy an image link instead. So let me just select an icon here that they have. So assuming this is for our freelancing workspace. So then let's name our project here. I will just name it freelancing projects. So next we can add Notion pages, like for example, page for your daily agenda, for your projects, content planner page, your notes, something like that. You can create pages, and it will depends on you and the project that you are working on. But before anything else, this is just an optional to add some cover photo here in my workspace. So if you like to add cover photo, so here click add cover. You can select cover from Notion Gallery, or you can also upload your own photo, or you can paste an image link, or find images from Unsplash. So Unsplash is really awesome software to find professional, good-looking images for free. So let me just search here freelance, and then let me just choose an image here. So let me add this one in our cover photo. Then let's start adding pages. To start adding some information here, you can just type slash. And here you have different blocks to add here in your workspace. So by the way, before we create our page, let me add different block here first. Let me just type 1 and 2 for us to have blocks that visible. Because if you will not type anything here, your block will be empty. It will show like invisible one, which I don't like. So I have the block now. Let me move this one first. So you can just easily drag and drop your block here. And then here, let me move the other block to the right and just wait till some highlights show up here. This is the indicator that this is the end of the other block. Then let me drop this one. So let me now name my blocks here. So first this one for daily, for my daily work. and the other one personal. So you have different option here to highlight. You can just highlight the text alone, or you can also highlight the text background. But if you like to highlight the whole column, then click this six dots button, then go to background and look for color that you like. And with that, you highlight the entire column. Let me also add some color to the other block here. Now under my daily agenda, I can add some pages. So just hit slash again and select page. And then another workspace will open up. This is the workspace inside your page. For example, I will name this page agenda. I will add my daily agenda here for the whole week or month. And again, you can also select templates, but for now, I will click enter from my keyboard to start from scratch. And also you can add icon here and cover photo, just like we did in our workspace. So let me just add profile icon here. And to go back to your main workspace, just go up here and click your workspace name. And here, as you can see, we have now our page. So let me just click the six dots and click on duplicate. So here we can create another page, and let's name this as projects. And then here you can add many pages, depends on you. And also change the icon again. And here you can also click Control D to duplicate for Windows user. And for more shortcut keys, just go here, question mark, and select keyboard shortcut to learn about Notion shortcut keys. Now let's set up each pages. Let me select agenda first, and here let me add some text like week 1 from May 1 to 7. Then let me make it bold, and also let me make it bigger like header 1. And if you want to change the font style, just go up here, click these three dots, and here you have option to change the font of your text. I like to use the serif here, and then you can also enable small text if you like, and also enable full width. Here you can also customize your page, like you can add backlinks and lock the page. And there's more option here. And if you want your text to be italic, then you can just select the word and here select equation. But here you can italic only one word. And if you want to italic two or more words, then you cannot just highlight it and select equation, because if you do, the spaces between words will be removed. So if you want to turn your word italic, then you can manually do it word by word. So here, let's add block for Monday. And also I will add another block here for Tuesday. And lastly, let me duplicate it and also add here for Wednesday. So this is just a sample, guys. So let me just move it here, these two blocks to the right. And here we can add some to-do list after. So just type slash and then select the to-do list. And let me add it here also, and also here and here. Here you can also add some table, bullet list, number list, toggle list, some code, divider, link to page, and many more. You can also add database, for example, table view, board view, gallery view, list view, calendar view, and more. Let me just select the board view. So here you can select a data source if you have already a source, but if you don't have yet, then you can just click here, new database, and here you can name your database. So let me name it as projects. And here you can create the project 1. Let me rename it project 1. And then here you can select a status, and also you can assign someone, and also you can add some comment here. So this is just simple workspace for today's tutorial for beginners. So I hope you like this video. And if you have any question, just comment down below, and thank you for watching.